Hello, my name is Jeff Roberts, and I'm the Global Director of Environmental Health and Safety for Vishay Precision Group, sitting here in one of our facilities in Wendell, North Carolina. The safety of our employees and our customers is our top priority, and to protect both, we've introduced and instituted site manufacturing guidelines for COVID-19. The manufacturing guidelines adopted worldwide are employee responsibilities for reporting and remaining home if sick, and limiting non-essential business quality or safety critical meetings and travel. Practicing physical and social distancing, supporting the use of masks, engaging in remote work or telework, routinely cleaning and disinfecting common spaces and high touch point areas, and implementing medical monitoring to include temperature or medical screening questionnaires. These measures and others will stop the spread of COVID-19 and enable us to support you and deliver to our customers. Thank you.